people laugh at me because my playlist starts with लग जा गले, ये जीवन है, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए. जो फ्राइडे के पहले जो दोस्त थे, रिलेटिव्स नए आए थे, बहुत सारे जो डायरेक्टर्स थे लाइन में, वो सब फ्राइडे के बाद भाग गए क्योंकि बॉक्स ऑफिस से बहुत चेंज होता है. I signed a film with Mani sir, post Mirzya, with Mani Ratnam in the south. Hi, I'm Sayami Kher and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
We have with us beautiful Sayami Kher here on Bollywood Hungama, and we'll talk about her a lot of things that we have to discuss with her today. But most importantly, the interesting part is that she listens to Mohammed Rafi and Kishore Kumar's songs while running, actually, which is very, very interesting. Priya, having you back on Bollywood Hungama, first of all.
Thank you, sir. So I'm very happy to be back here.
Thank you so much. And why is it that you prefer? Generally people would listen to fast numbers while running, or something which is more up tempo because it charges them up. But why is it that you listen to Mohammed Rafi and Kishore Kumar songs?
So for me, when I listen to music, it's always been about the lyrics. I love music, I love the composition, but I've been an old soul all my life.
Okay.
And it's just Gulzar Saab se mohabbat hai. So I love listening to music that has been in that era and that age.
Okay.
And I just get so engrossed into the whole music that the tempo doesn't really matter so much for me.
Okay.
So people laugh at me because my playlist starts with lag ja gale, ye jeevan hai, kahin dur jab din dhal jaye. So my music is that, and that's what I run to, but I really enjoy it.
Okay, so now the interesting part is you say that you're in love with Gulzar Saab. He was a lyricist for your first movie as well.
Yes.
For Mirzya, and he also wrote the script as well, from what I understand, that he did after many days. Okay, so when you say old soul, I think if at 23 is not a good idea, but nevertheless. Okay, so how's been the journey since Mirzya? You had like a big splashing debut.
Yes.
And the movie was built on a wonderful campus in terms of, I think visually it was beautiful, but maybe it did not perform the way you guys would have wanted. What has been the journey since Mirzya for you?
So Mirzya for me has always been a blessing, and I'll always be very, very grateful to Rakesh sir, who's become family now. I've become very, very close to sir. I've had the fortune of having Gulzar Saab as my first writer and lyricist of my first film. So I'll always feel very blessed about this film. It's unfortunate that some films work, some films don't work. It's not in our hands. हमने तो पूरा 100% दिया था, but sometimes it doesn't connect, and it's fine. The journey post that has been very interesting, क्योंकि जो फ्राइडे के पहले जो दोस्त थे, रिलेटिव्स नए आए थे, बहुत सारे जो डायरेक्टर्स थे लाइन में, वो सब फ्राइडे के बाद भाग गए क्योंकि बॉक्स ऑफिस से बहुत चेंज होता है. एंड दैट्स द फन ऑफ दिस गेम, if you have a successful full film behind you, you get a lot of friends, you get a lot of relatives, you get a lot of work. But if you don't have a successful film behind you, you know who your friends are, you know who your relatives are, and you know who is willing to put in the faith in you, in your craft. So that's been a learning for me. It's been unfortunate because I signed a film with Mani sir, post Mirzya, with Mani Ratnam in the south, and just for me it gave me a sense of confidence that somebody like Mani Ratnam has signed me on for a film. But unfortunately it didn't take off because of, I think, budget issues, or I don't know what issues they faced. So it never took off. But it's a very interesting phase because you have to, everyone out there in the world is wanting to kind of pull you down, but you'll have these set of friends and these set of family members that will keep you going. And I really enjoy my craft, so I keeping myself busy. मैं workshops करती हूँ, dance classes तो चलते हैं, but it's just a lot of my theatre teachers who I've gotten in touch with again. And when the time is right, I'm sure something will start.
No, absolutely, because I was just observing her talking about her fitness regimen a short while back, and it was so fascinating that I think the best way to deal with any situation is to, and the best way to just retain that confidence in yourself is by doing something physically, in terms of if you can follow a sport, if you can be regular about because many times people tend to lose those things. And they get into all sorts of maybe drinking, or then they don't take care of their bodies that well, and that's where the entire the biggest I think mistake that they tend to do. And since you're so focused on this running and swimming and all sorts of exercise, which is wonderful. All right, so Now, what sort of offers have come your way? When is it that we can see that big announcement coming from you? Because you made a splash. There's no
Yes,
doubt about that.
thank you.
That you made a splash. Everyone noticed your performance. Everyone noticed you as well. So when is it that we're going to see that next announcement soon?
So I'm keeping my fingers crossed and I'm hoping something starts off very soon. There have been a few interesting projects that were supposed to, again, which I was on the shortlist for, which was supposed to take off. One of them didn't take off. The films that came right after Mirzya, it's been a year since the film released. So
Right.
the films that came, they were more like नाच गाना है पर कुछ करने के लिए था नहीं. So that's something I wasn't really keen on doing. I'm happier waiting out and being really excited about something I'm working on.
Right.
Because if you're not excited about what you're going to be working on, it will show on your work, So keeping my fingers crossed, hopefully something soon. Hi, I'm Sayami Kher and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.